was in court not that long ago in Richmond County out in Augusta, Georgia. And I was there with my client, an active duty military mother, and the father of this child was a civilian. And we walked in, and the judge looked at everybody, and the judge said, great judge out in Augusta, Judge Wayne Padgett.
Good judge.
Very good judge. And Judge Padgett said one of the wisest things I've ever heard anybody say. He looked at all of us and said, ma'am, sir, to the parties, he said, if you think about it, we're about to start this trial, and it's really like the most bizarre, sickest game show that I'm hosting. If you heard, now I was there, you weren't, and those words resonated with me, and it's a child custody case.
Yeah, I'm getting chills now.
Yeah, it's the most bizarre, sickest game show that I'm the host of. What does that mean to you?
What it means to me is, you and I are parents, and we have a child together. Mm-hmm. It would be like you and I saying to, somebody walking down the street that we don't know, hey, let us pull you aside for a few hours. We want you to make decisions about our daughter. You can hear, that stranger can hear your side and hear my side, and at the end of that, after 3 hours, you make the decision.
Yeah, but wait a second. No, because that's a stranger on the street who could be...
Too simplistic?
No, that stranger could be a garbage collector or a DJ or some schmo that records videos for $5 a shot. But this is a judge, a lawyer with years of experience. That's not just anybody. That's not a game show host.
That's true, and I appreciate that the judge, knows the law. But at the end of the day, the judge doesn't know you. The judge doesn't know me. The judge doesn't know our child. The judge is most likely not going to meet our child. Right. So the judge is doing the best that he or she can within the confines of the law, which may not be good enough. And so it is an unsettling prospect, in my opinion.
Okay.
And I, tell clients, and this might come across as, harsh, but I call it tough love. But if you and I, as the parents, can't make a decision, and we're going to allow a third party, be it a judge, or even a guardian ad litem, mm-hmm. make decisions for our child because we can't, then you know what? We deserve what we get.
It's really interesting because when Judge Padgett said, this is a game show, the sickest game show, most bizarre game show, it kind of implies that you can make a decision or I'm going to make the decision, right? So is it better to go to court or is it better to settle the case?
If you can, it's better to settle the case because you have control over the outcome.
Well, wait, if you hire the right attorney, aren't you going to win the case?
There's too many factors to control that.
Fair enough.
The judge might have had a bad day. You as the party might have had a bad day. There's too many factors to control. So why would you want to give up, particularly in what we deal with in family law, mm-hmm. where the decisions that judges make in family law will impact your life for the rest of your life.
Fair enough.
So think about it. And we're, as you well know, we are resolution oriented. And the best case is to resolve it where you do have control. If we can't do that, we are willing and able to take it to court and try it.
Fair enough.
So you have questions? Give us a call. Shewmaker and Lewis.